to
2 ঘন্টা মানৰ পাছত Okay, sir. I think maximum of the members join.
right. You can start. Actually, good evening, sir. Siddharth sir.
Okay, sir. Then we can start.
You can start.
Yeah.
Good. I can introduce our dean. Actually, we have new dean. Today, actually, as a dean, he is joined. Dr. Dibojyoti Bora is a dean of ACS. Today is his first day and having this VOS important meeting.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Dr.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir.
And he will start with his welcome address, and then we'll go through that syllabus.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. So, good morning and very warm welcome to all the respected members here in this Board of Studies. And we have already been gone through many Board of Studies reports, and most of the members are same, only 2-3 members change. So it's my very privilege as the Dean of the School of Computing Sciences to extend heartfelt greetings and express our sincere appreciations for your presence today. Your valuable expertise, insights, and continued support are instrumental in shaping the academic excellence and future direction of our programs. And we all know that today's meeting is very crucial as we are going to review and refine our curriculum to align with the emerging technologies and industry needs. So that we can ensure that our students are well prepared for both advanced study and the evolving job markets. So I again thank all of you to give your valuable time towards our Board of Studies. I look forward to your insightful inputs and constructive discussions, as you already did the earlier BOS. Together, let us work towards enhancing the academic standard of our school. So with this, I would like to start the BOS meeting. And before that, a small introduction of all the members from my side. That just
we are recording it, no?
Yes, we have recorded.
Okay.
Starting the recording button.
Okay.
Just
because the virtual and online mode for the academic council meeting, we need to have the recording for entire process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So with us, Professor Dr. Siddhartha Barua sir. He is professor from Jorhat Engineering College, Department of MCA. He was also with us in the earlier BOS. Then Dr. Hasim Ahmed. He is with us from last, I think, Hasinda, 6-7 years, right?
Yes, I am there for a long time.
For a long time. Thank you very much. And currently he is associated with the Department of Computer Science, Guwahati University. With us, Dr. Rubul Kumar Bania sir. He's again with us from earlier BOS. He is from the Department of Computer Science, Birangana Satish Adhani Vishwavidyalaya. Then with us, Dr. Kaushik Mandal sir. He is associated with the Department of Mathematics, IIT Ropa, Punjab. Then with us, Mr. Ritik Das. He is currently working as a software engineer in the Meta Reality Lab. So Then with us Mr. Sumit Pandey. He is associated with ACL Technology, USA. Then with us Dr. Aniket Bera sir. He is associate professor at the Department of Computer Science at Purdue University and also adjunct professor at the University of Maryland at College Park. Then with us Ms. Mosumi Bora ma'am. She is associate professor and head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Then we all know our respected Professor Ratan Kumar Saha sir. Then other members of our department like our Priyanka Majumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of IT and CSE. Faizul Haq, Department of IT and CSE, Assistant Professor. Then among the alumni members, we have Shweta Mishra now, because Nikumoni could not attend due to some urgent event, so she could not attend. So we have Shweta Mishra with us. Then from the student members, we have Abir Banerjee. He is from MCA, 4th semester, and Sagar Tamang. He is from BCA, 6th semester students. So these are the members of our today's BOS wedding. So I welcome all of you.
We can have a screen. All of you can once video on and take a snapshot for.
Yes. Priyanka, can you please take a screenshot of it?
Faizul also joined.
He came, sir. He joined. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So now I will request Priyanka to share the screen and we'll start with the course structure. Basically, we have the same course structure, only few subjects being introduced this time. So we'll focus on those newly introduced subjects and few modification or changes to the already existing subjects as per the industry needs and students also feedback. So we are going through that and introducing few specialized subjects.
Sir, you need to share the screen. Allow me to share the screen.
Yes, I have already given the permission. You can share now.
Sir, is it visible?
It's not yet coming. Just wait a minute.
Okay, all we can video on off so that bandwidth will be better.
Now it is coming.
So as you have seen that in BCA first semester, second semester, third and fourth are unchanged. Nothing has been
sorry,
introduced.
Priyanka, it is not yet visible, the screen.
Yes.
There you'll get the option entire screen. Coming now. I hope all can see the screen now, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Priyanka, start kariye. Basically, you can see that here we have written new, that the course code new. So those are the only newly introduced subjects that we have to focus on.
So basically from BCA 5, we have started a new subject. We have introduced it. So we can see here, we have introduced two new subjects here. One is Open Elective 1 and Professional Elective 1. So Open Elective is not been discussed among us because it will be given by some other department. So the decidation is still required. So Professional Elective, we have 4 subjects we will be offering to the student, and machine learning has been introduced from the previous one. So the new one is cryptography, visualization technology, front-end development. So let me share the syllabus of that. So this is the cryptography. So here is the syllabus.
Then we will go
So
to the
moving to the module.
yes, Priyanka, we'll come to the syllabus later on. First, let's come to the course structure of MCA again.
This is BCA.
This is BCA, yes.
Okay. Sure. So this is the for MCA semester 2, because first semester has been unchanged. So second semester, the new 3 syllabus has been subject has been introduced. The first is artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques, and then in professional elective, data visualization technique and full stack development and design. So this is the introduction of a MCA 2 syllabus.
Then next semester.
So in
This.
in next semester, that is the MCA 3, we have introduced 4 new professional elective, that is time series data analysis, cloud computing, application development frameworks, and the last is, yes, these 3 has been introduced.
Okay. So now I would like to request the members to inform us that whether we need to start from the BCA syllabus or MCA.
BCA one we can check for.
As in BCA, right?
Yeah, that will be better.
Okay. So Priyanka, now please come to the BCA news. First, we will start with the subject cryptography, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Shall I go to the module first?
yes. Please come to the module and let the members decide. So I will request all the members to kindly go through it and put forward the comments. If you think that we need to modify or we need to add or change or remove anything from the syllabus.
Also, you can give the suggestion later on.
Yes, later on. Yes.
I think Divya, in unit 1,
Yes, isn't it?
you have allotted 6 hours of classes, but the thing is, the things are not mentioned in a kind of detailed way. Here also we observe that certain problems there, like later on, if the external evaluation comes up in this kind of cases, it's very difficult to set questions. It's because you are giving a kind of open space to the faculty member. Some faculty member take it in some other way. So I think in chapter 2 and 3, those are fine. Like this DS, AEs, those things will take time. But in chapter 1, I mean that unit 1, I think it can be made a bit more detailed. I mean, how will it like cover 6 hours of classes? No, otherwise it creates problem for someone who will be setting the questions.
Right, Hasinda. Yeah.
Okay.
Faizul, kindly note down the points of the members, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then in the module 2, Hasinda.
Okay. Seems okay. Seems okay from my side.
Okay. Kaushik sir, any comment on this?
No, it's fine. Please, Kenyan. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Rahul sir?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Rahul.
Yeah, I have just joined.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sorry for delay.
No problem, sir.
Yes, yes. You can just go ahead.
Okay. Any comment from our Siddhartha sir? As sir said, later on also from mail, if you feel that any more changes or any anything to be added, then kindly let us know. Then we will go through that. Then we are coming to the next syllabus. Virtual technology, right? Priyanka, please go through it.
Yes, sir, virtualization technology. Submodule.
Yeah, virtualization technique. Roll up.
This document we have sent to all of you, very short notice, but when you go through, you can give the comments.
Yes.
I have just one comment. These things, this syllabus, whatever is there, is beyond my scope. Still, just I am asking that if I am wrong, you can let me know.
Yes, sir.
That this kind of courses is it completely theory course, or there will be some lab also.
Sir, labs
Yes,
will be there.
yes, lab will be
Labs will
there.
be there,
Because of
right?
every module, there will be a lab. And in the lab, actually virtualization tools will be available and they will be free.
Okay.
Yes.
And then students prepare the demo, and they normally give a presentation on that.
Okay, okay, nice.
Let me ask you something deeper. In that Bloom's level, no? So don't you associate chapters with different Bloom's level, or you just the course outcomes you relate to the Bloom's level?
Yeah, actually, Priyanka, please scroll up. Okay. No. Sorry, scroll up. Come to this one. Hasinda, you are talking about this one, no? Bloom's taxonomy mapping, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, we try to find out the levels based on that particular content. That's like, as we have here, explain the concept and benefits of virtualization. So based on the key terms, we are mapping this actually. Like here, the term is explained. Then again, differentiate between the types of hypervisor and managed VMs, right? Then the key term is differentiate. So what we are actually doing, this like apply and analyze. This belongs to what? Bloom's taxonomy level 3 and 4. So accordingly, we are mapping. The faculties are preparing the syllabus based on their understanding. Yes, we need to go through it again, because what I am claiming for the Bloom's level 2 may not be from the perspective of another. Yes.
Okay. I mean, I may be wrong. I don't know. According to my understanding, recently we also had these things like the entire syllabus we used to like map to a single Bloom's level. But later on, I came to know from some specialists. I may be wrong or I may misunderstood that. But the thing is, we are supposed to have all these levels in the same paper. Like say, chapter 1 is in level 1. Chapter 2 is in level 2. Finally, in a course, we are supposed to reach that final level. That's what I understood. I'm not, quite sure about this. The other members will throw light on that. But the thing is, it is supposed to be like this. Like say, chapter 1 is associated with this initial level, and we are supposed to bring students from the very basic understanding level to the last to that advanced level. That's what we are supposed to do. We also did this mistake earlier. That's why, that's what my understanding is. Like, I'm not sure. Rubulda is there or somebody else can clarify.
Yes, Hasinda. So obviously here it needs some discussion. So obviously we need some inputs from our members.
We'll modify it as we'll go through again the literature, the guidelines, and then we'll modify it again.
Yes,
sir. It will be better to consult
Yeah.
some expert from education department. They will be in a better position to comment on that.
Yes, some NAC people will better explain this actually.
No, one more thing. Suppose virtualization, if we teach, suppose hypervisor initially in the same chapter, hypervisor actually introduction of hypervisor, and then how the types, different kinds of types of hypervisor. Then we'll be going to the detail level. So in the same chapter, actually, BL1, BL2, BL3 may be there, because ultimately it's not like I will go through the guidelines, but it's not like a mathematical things actually. Mathematics are first chapter is easier, second chapter is tough, something like that. But again, mathematics also, suppose some chapters, if we have, there are sections got different kinds of level. I don't know, but we will go through again as per the guidelines and your advice. We'll go through again.
Okay.
I would like to add something. Hasin, as you mentioned that yes, actually Bloom's taxonomy is supposed to be get categorized like that because we are having 6 types of levels over there. So in our syllabuses also, the way Dibba has trying to represent his syllabus, we are also trying in that order only. Like this CO, like course outcome and Bloom's level should have to be mapped in some way. But yeah, if we are trying to map it in some kind of understanding level wise, level 1, level 2, like that, then again the CO mapping, CO with this Bloom's level, that connection I think will be some kind of difficulty may come
Or,
because in there.
or maybe these things will happen this way. CO is associated with level, then CO will be associated with some chapters also. Like say chapter one will be handling
Mhm.
outcome one. That way we can link up, I guess. No, Brubulda?
Yes, ha. কিন্তু
Ah.
নৰ্মেলি মানে আমাৰ যিটো নৰ্মেল প্ৰেক্টিচ চলি আছে এনেকেই প্ৰেক্টিচ কৰে ধৰক 6টা লেভেল আছে
নাই
আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং
কিন্তু আমাৰ ইয়াতো কিন্তু এনেকেই কৰে কিন্তু মই
এনেকেই
সেইটো হয়
that is one kind of tradition বুলিয়ে ক'ব লাগিব which we are
Right.
basically following.
এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে যে গোটেই কোৰ্চটোত MCA কোৰ্চটোত ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেমিষ্টাৰত ফাৰ্ষ্ট লেভেলটো থাকিলে ফাইনেলি ইউ আৰ মুভিং টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য এণ্ড টু দ্য মানে most advanced level এনেকুৱাও হ'ব পাৰে হয়
Right.
বাট ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেল পেপাৰত গোটেইখিনি এনকেপচুলেট কৰিবলৈ একচুৱেলি কিছুমানে ছাজেষ্টটো কৰে লাইক কোনটো CO মেপিঙত আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং আছে কোনটো ইভালুৱেশ্যন এনালাইজ
হয়
চ' আই থিংক দে আৰ
some
অলছ'
of the
ট্ৰাইং
people will have.
দিব এইখন পেপাৰত কি বুলি কয় ক্ৰেডিট কিমান আৱাৰ্ছ মানে আৱাৰ্ছ নহয় মানে কিমান ক্ৰেডিটৰ পেপাৰ
Yeah, Priyanka, ওপৰলৈ গুচি আহা. Okay. So basically, this is 3 credits.
So within bracket 3 it is mentioning that is the credit.
Credit. Our professional elective means this comes under specialization because we have right now 5 specialization based on the electives. As one student, suppose one student chooses this one. So that falls under cloud computing specialization. Suppose someone chooses AI, that falls under AI specialization. Like this, we have some specialization.
Okay. So like that, you are trying to bifurcate the things.
Yes. So it's based on the student's choice that they want this subject, then they can go for it like that. And about this CO, PO, and BL levels, this is again from the last 8 years itself. I've been going through the same kind of confusions. Not me only, because NEC people changes again. They give or put forward some another points. So it's again a subjective kind of evaluation, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yes.
Because during that time of when we are setting our questions paper, also we'll have to mention like this question belongs to which CO and which Bloom's level.
Right. Here also we are following the same thing in KU. Okay, then.
Okay, good.
Yeah, thank you. Let's come to the next syllabus. Front-end development.
Here also we have said that CO, if you go to the CO, this particular unit 1, and then it may happen that some of the things will be level 1, level 2, level 3 also. So that is the representation we are planning to do, but still we have to take your suggestion and go through again and try to map CO and definitely. Oh,
This is a BCA course, right, Dibgo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, BCA.
Okay, okay, okay. I mean, they'll be having more advanced courses later on, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Actually, is a part of full stack development. This is the front end. This is the initial subject, and after that, the backend framework and everything will be there in advanced level.
Okay. Seems okay.
Okay.
But there, I mean, Dibgo, have you included this Node.js thing?
Node.js.
No.
Yes, sir.
You have. I mean, it's there.
No, yes, that is under framework, no? Faisal?
We have another subject actually in the master. Faisal, you can explain it.
Sorry, I have not included Node.js here because this syllabus is actually designed based on the Java full stack developers. So looking into Java, I have not gone into the Node.js. So in this semester, we are focusing mostly on the front end part. And then in coming semester, we introduced the React.js and AngularJS specifically. And then another semester, we introduced the backend part, that is by using Java, by using a framework like Spring Boot, and then Spring Security and all. So we are focusing mostly on the Java full stack part, not in Node.js part.
Here, they will not be like designing web pages at all. No, they will just be learning. Is it
Yes.
so?
No, no. They will have a practical.
So
Practicals?
what?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
this
Practically
is
will be
actually
also there.
classroom itself. We are actually our classrooms also. We have they come with the laptops and we actually do the practicals hands-on.
Or they will have practical section.
Yes, yes. Actually, ki hoy Hasinda means some theoretic subjects are here in our course structure, but although they are theory, we have practical session in the classroom itself. But some specific lab class are also there for few subjects where lab sessions are there in the lab. But suppose for this subject, as we don't have the the lab subject specifically or lab class specifically, then we conduct the lab classes in the class itself. Students are requested to bring the laptop, and then the faculty show the hands-on in the class itself.
Okay, okay. Just I want to ask Faiju, like you will be I mean hosting this design wave size there in some kind of wave server, or how you are planning to do that? I mean,
Can you repeat, sir? I'm not getting your question.
so here in this course, of course, I guess as I mean Dibba, I mean mentioned, so you'll be conducting this I mean sort of practical things there in the class itself, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And students will keep on practicing, looking at, I mean, or following your instruction out there in the class itself. Like what kind of, so you'll be working with wave server based setup, or how you are?
Actually, for live demonstration, what I'm planning, because these are the practical things, right? So during my session, what I'm planning in the classes itself, like there is very less amount of theoretical concepts here. So I just wanted to show them like live how exactly we can implement these concepts practically. And at the end, I am going to assign some projects as well. And at the end, like once the entire full stack is done, I am going to assign some full stack project like e-commerce, maybe some digital library kind of things. So where I'll be assigning some front end project as well as back end project, and then through the API we are going to connect front end and back end, and that is how I'm planning actually as a full stack. So it will be
But the backend
completely
will be
live.
covered in a later time. Backend will be covered in a later time, I guess.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In coming semester, backend will be included here. This is already being included.
Okay, that will be done after that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Then we have this neural network architecture, mathematical foundations for data science, AI in cybersecurity, cloud computing, web frameworks. So please, this will be a web framework, okay? Come to the neural network architecture. এইখিনি পুরা মানে these are the specialized electives. So students needs to choose one. Then if it is okay, then we come to the next one. Yes, because the contents are very used. If I again say, if you feel that this needs to be removed or this extra things to be added, kindly let us know. We'll add it here.
I suggest, Divya,
Yes, sir.
to have this back propagation thing in unit 1. What do you think? Like back propagation will apply to a lot of neural networks, and feed forward neural network is something which is supposed to be there in unit 2. That's what I feel. So back propagation algorithms, that algorithm is a big thing. Like there are a lot of algorithms. So of course, in the kind of um, I mean, introductory chapter, you cannot cover all the backpropagation algorithms. That you can put it in a different kind of things because it will be quite voluminous. Otherwise, feed forward network, forward and error.
Forward person error
Sorry, I'm
computation.
looking at mobile phone. That's why it's not sometimes very readable. Okay.
So
Forward, pass, and error. Backpropagation algorithm. Then regularization, hyperparameter tuning.
So Hasinda means
Okay.
back propagation, at least concept portions, few introduction portion. Should I need to introduce in the module 1 in unit 1?
Yeah, along with that, I think gradient descent will be, I mean, helpful while explaining that, and those should be, I think, placed at the same place somewhere, no? And I think this feed-forward network should contain other topics. It's because backpropagation will apply to all of these networks. In fact, what do you say, Dibya? So
Right.
backpropagation will not be associated with only feed-forward network. It will be working there in convolution, CNN, RNN, everywhere. So that's why I feel like you should include it on the feed forward neural network. And this dropout things you can introduce there in feed forward network. Yeah, which plays a very important role there. And regularization is anyway there. Okay, fine. Other things seems okay.
Faisal, kindly note down the changes, right? Means
Yes, sir.
Dibbo, in this paper, lab component will be there, no? Or theoretical only?
no. Lab means there will be no extra lab-based class, but in the class itself, we divide like that. Suppose,
Okay.
yeah, means some concepts being introduced, then the practical will be shown to the students.
Using the tensor flows and other things.
Yes, Ritik, sir, please.
Are you planning to introduce large language models, transformer models? You know, sorry, was there somebody else?
In Unit 4, you have to include transformer. That's
Mhm.
something that is missed out.
Okay.
Okay, Ritik has joined actually. He is from MATLAB,
MetaLab.
MetaLab.
Yes.
So he could be the best guide.
Because in all the last couple of years of breakthrough research comes from transformer models and large language models, all the stuff that we see about ChatGPT, GPT-4, GPT-4o, Meta's Llama, and all these models, which are some of them are also available open source for people to try out. They are all large language models. So I think the course should have some introductory level content for those.
Yes, I agree. Although we have some specialized subjects on LLM, but
Yeah.
we'll include some introduction to this LLM in which unit will be better for that, sir?
Transformer.
Transformers, yeah.
Means
The transformers would be the building block of large language models.
yes.
Yeah.
If we need to include in the models, then which will be more suitable? Like unit 1, unit 2,
Unit 4.
I think in
Four, I
Unit
think
3, it will be
four.
suitable.
unit 3, 4.
I think it will be in advanced architectures, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Advanced architecture, Unit 4.
We'll include that, sir.
Okay.
Okay, then let's.
One more snapshot we can have. Everybody just or later on we'll have another snapshot.
Okay, right now also we can have.
And in the feed forward network or in the introductory chapter, you can introduce another thing that's called vanishing gradient problem, which creates a lot of issue there in neural network. Yeah.
Yes.
Please.
That's a good suggestion. সেইটো বহুত হেৰি হয় আচলতে problem.
It creates problem there.
Yeah. You
We
will
should
include
at least know what happened.
right.
Yes.
Basically, our MCA students, also master degree students, in their projects, we have given a problem on that particular thing. So in MCA they have, but in BCA also we will introduce this problem.
It seems it's there in CNN chapter, but the thing is, it should be
Specific.
introduced earlier.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is a different paper, the one that we checked earlier.
No. This one is okay, but then we are coming to the next one. This one is the one we are discussing. Yeah.
Right.
This is mathematical foundation for data science.
This actually paper Unit 1. This is the old one. We have what you call. We'll change it. Actually, this is a. No, this is a old syllabus. No change in that. Priyanka? This one not.
It was an old syllabus, but it has been introduced in BCA 5. So that's why it has been included as a new.
Okay.
Introduce it. Earlier it was in MCA, but now we have in
Yes.
BCA. So that's why this is a new
So the
format.
standard level can be judged whether it is applicable for the BCA or not. So that's why we have provided here the syllabus.
Okay.
So it's the same with that MCA syllabus.
Bit change, right? I think Sahasa can explain it better.
Actually, some of the things you have to change still. I have to go through it. And
Does it look like means a very weak or means for BCA
yeah,
student
very
is it okay
big,
or
very big. Actually, yes, we have to modify it. And a modified version will send it to you.
Yeah, because I mean, if that student after BCA he goes on for say MCA, then he will be reading exactly the same paper, no?
Not exactly this. MCA is different, but looks. I mean, some of the things are taken in that level. What we can do, I will modify it again and we'll send it back to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. So, Priyanka, you can skip this so that, but only thing is that consciousness, whether we need this subject or not.
I think we need this.
For actually, we have thought about this for data analytics. Those who are there, they need to know this a little bit of this knowledge they should have. That's why we wanted to introduce it. Go through the course name actually, Priyanka. Course name is Mathematical Foundation for Data Science. That's why. And it will be not 4 credit, actually it will be in 3 credit course. I will modify it and I'll send it to you again. But name is okay?
Means to say is all members, do we need this subject as far means?
So I probably I understand your concern. Is it like some of the students are having the background of mainly the 1, 2nd, and 4th part of the course, and some of the new students joining who may not have done the courses and they need some introduction, and you are bothered that you need to keep it or not?
That way actually MCA we have done, but BCA they are before that they had only high secondary mathematics, discrete mathematics, and normal mathematics. So this is there. For them it is next level.
Yes.
So this is for BCA, but we have what BCA start with mathematics 1, that is almost like high secondary level. And second semester they have discrete maths, that is normal discrete maths up to graph theory and group theory. And then they will be having these particular things. So these particular things, keep in mind that some people will be for the specialized group in data science, they will be taking only, not all the students. This is a specialized course. So those will go to the data analytics and data science course, then they will be, this is the prerequisite. So, but MCA, we have done the, Dr. Kaushik was explaining that some of them are not knowing, some of them are from different backgrounds like BCA, BSc Computer Science, and for them, that was the syllabus.
Is there any overlap between mathematics 1 and this paper, sir?
Yes, mathematics 1 is in the first semester.
Yeah, I mean, there's no overlap, I guess, between these two.
No,
I guess the first linear.
Not at all, no overlap. This is especially will be designed for that who will take the data science or
Specialization.
data specialized course. They will be in that state. So anyway, some of the things we have to modify from here. Otherwise,
I think some of the and I don't know, I may be wrong. Some of the calculus stuff maybe
added here.
No, I was going to say removed. Right? Maybe they're too advanced.
Yeah, it seems like the block one, it should be some, there should be some overlap with the mathematics
Mathematics
one
one.
they do, and even in the probability random variables, usually in mathematics two or something, if it is there in your course structure.
Chapter 4 actually will omit actually.
Yeah.
And chapter 4 already overlap. That is a yes. Both of you are right, Kaushik, Dr. Kaushik and Ritik. You people are right. So we'll take care of that.
So then we'll have 3 units. I think if we can divide this into 4th unit, means some portion of the 3rd unit, can we move it to the 4th unit?
And some of them will be moving to the 4th unit. And I will
ठीक है sir.
redesign it and then send it across all the members.
Okay, sir.
And it will be better, sir, if you can map it with the kind of dependencies of your data science content. Like
Yes.
say when you're covering neural network, this backpropagation involves a lot of calculus things and all. So if you can map those, these are things which will be required there, then that will be more effective, sir.
Good comment, right.
Okay. Okay.
মানে এইটো যে suppose why they are studying say gradient, how can we yes relate this to some topics of the data science, so that way
Or
we need to
see
map, right?
optimization things, yeah, you can include certain basic things here.
ठीक है,
Okay. Good suggestion.
very good suggestion.
Yeah, like in your sixth semester already, you are going to introduce the neural network paper.
Yes.
So for the neural network paper, the foundation is again the unit for some kind of components. If they have not studied in the earlier semesters, then I think some basic components like differential calculation, basically calculus. That I think that should be introduced. If you are not introducing in like first semester or second semester.
Sir, it has been introduced in first semester itself.
Okay. So if it is introduced, then unit 4 can be removed.
Okay.
Or otherwise some portions can be kept because neural networks subjects
Need this. Okay.
Yeah, because
Not entire things actually, sir.
yes, not entire things, but some kind of basics things about the
Basic thing will be removing, like first unit 4.1 functions and graph. We can unit differential and partial different derivatives. We can remove gradient and differential derivatives. Also, we can remove, but introduce for the back propagation. What we do in that. So, like that, actually, we'll make sure that everything will be mapped onto the either in the machine learning part or your data science part.
Yes.
Okay, then we will modify the syllabus and we will send to all the members.
And so one more observation, just that is a minute or observation. Like regarding the reference books, in some of the references you have give the year of published or something like that. But in the above in references you have not
It is not
mentioned.
uniform. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes. So that thing will have to be
Uniformity we have to maintain.
We'll take care of it. And the latest editions to be mentioned, right, sir?
Yeah, latest edition and whichever is the popular books related to that one.
Okay.
Petition can be dropped, in fact. No? What do you think? Like, it will keep on coming up.
Yes, you are right. Okay.
Thank you.
This is again, this is a 4 credit, not 4 credit actually, by mistake it is there. It is 3 credit. Okay. And
I will be changing that in 3 credits. So next we are moving to AI in cybersecurity.
AI in cybersecurity. Basically, this subject is AI application in cybersecurity. So to make the student feel the also this cybersecurity also can be uh, seen in differently.
Here also, sir, I feel like it should be more detailed. Like when you say feature engineering, you should make it clear exactly what will be the subcontents under that. And in the first chapter also, like in unit 1, there are 3 contents. Under that, what the teachers will cover. I mean, there should be a bit more detail just to avoid any kind of confusion while setting paper. Like teachers may go in their own way, then finally, if you go for external evaluation, that will create problem.
Okay. Yeah.
I feel so.
More specific actually.
Yeah, so subcontents, to an extent, obviously in certain technological things, we cannot include subcontents just to keep the things open. Depending on state of the art, we will take up the technologies. But for
Yes.
introductory things, like we can make it more detailed, no, sir?
Yes. Faisal or Priyanka, are you noting down now?
Yes, they are noting down, sir.
Yes, sir, we are noting down.
Okay.
And we also have the recorded, we'll have the recorded lecture. We'll go through it properly.
Okay, record is there. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the BT notation on the rightmost column? Earlier there was the Bloom levels, right? This is
Yes,
different, or
Bloom's
is this?
taxonomy level.
Actually, uniformity is the
Oh, I see.
problem here. It should be BT or BL will be informal.
Yeah, just
Sir,
one.
actually,
Yeah,
We'll keep it like
uniform.
Actually,
BL or BT, na? BL, we'll keep it as BL.
BL, okay.
so different faculty has developed different ways. So we have to make a uniform of that. So before submitting the actual syllabus, we will again review it and we'll make a uniform structure and then we'll send to the BOS and then finally we will give a final draft to that.
Exactly, right.
Sir, can I move to the second module?
Yes. Okay, members, please. Any comments from student?
Yeah, Sagar and Abir, if you feel that we need to, yeah.
Dibosar, go ahead.
Sagar.
Yes, sir.
So if you think that any changes or any comment from your side, any input from your side, please let us know.
Okay, sir. The first changes about neural networks is including the transformer architecture. I think it's perfect. I fully agree with it. We should include in the advanced architectures about the transformers. And overall, the way the meeting has proceeded, I think I have no doubts of it. Any objections?
Thank you, Sagar. So if no further comment, then we can come to the next syllabus. cloud computing architecture.
This particular subject is basically for the cloud computing specialization. Again, actually, this part, chapter 2, actually, again, we are discussing about the virtualization because of the continuity of those things. It is not very elaborate already done in the first semester. Sorry, fifth semester, right? So then after that, we are using this terminology, and then directly to AWS and all those things, virtualization.
Any comment from the members?
No comment from my side.
Okay.
Seems okay.
Actually, this particular subject, we have collaboration with AWS, our university collaboration with AWS. That their line of their, content, we have just designed this.
Okay.
Already it is in the in practice, AWS cloud in practice in the world. So students should understand, and also this student also will be enrolled to their LMS of AWS as a student for
Okay.
every semester we do actually.
Fine.
In fact, every year, I should not say every semester, every year we enrolled particular student for the AWS portal. Abid, do you have any comments on this? You have gone through that in your senior level.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we can move to the next syllabus. I think this will be web framework. We are missing 1B, so kindly.
Yeah, I was just going to make that comment. There are actually quite a few typos or spelling mistakes.
Yes.
Yes. Somebody needs to proofread the document and fix all those places.
Yes.
Thank you.
Definitely,
Thank
sir. I
you.
will do that, sir.
Which semester this paper is in?
Priyanka? Yeah.
It's in,
No,
I
no.
think,
Come to this. Yeah. Yes. Sixth semester.
oh, last one.
Again, the credit is 3 actually. Sorry.
Asita, actually, what we have now BCA 4 years course.
Okay.
It means this is 6, means third year. Then one more
Okay.
year will be there.
Oh, yes, under NEP thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
So can we, authentication and, these modules are there. Oh, okay, anyway. O0 and other frameworks will be covered under that, I guess.
Pardon me?
No, it seems okay, sir. I didn't see one topic there, but later saw it's there.
Okay.
Then we have this BCA semester 7. This one means operational research is co-subject, and the electives are like generative AI, LLM. Like I said, that we have one more subject specifically for LLM, then big data technology, cyber threats and attacks, cloud security management, backend development. So Priyanka, kindly go to the operational research one. Yeah, this one.
So right now we can have another snapshot actually.
Okay.
Here we can't see our own face. We don't know whether we are being.
I can see you, sir.
Sure.
We can see.
I can see.
Yeah.
Fajal,
Shweta, and then Sagar. All the members are requested to please switch on your video mode.
Ratan sir, am I in the frame?
yes.
No, little bit. অকমান বেছি ওখ হৈ গৈছে অকমান তললৈ জুকিব লাগিব
My extra frame to take.
Yeah, right now it's okay.
ওখ মানুহৰ
thank you.
দিগদাৰ Okay. Priyanka, kindly take the screenshot, and I'm also taking one. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
It's a virtual. Please assume for a virtual cup of tea. Otherwise, before COVID, we had the meeting in the seminar hall, and we had gone through the breakfast or those snacks things. Now this part is missing.
Or Ratan sir can take us to a kind of virtual tour of
Yes.
his daughter's place.
Ratan sir.
Right now I am the opposite side of your India and US.
Yes.
No, he meant to say you can show us to your kitchen and the cup of tea.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay, taken?
Yes, taken. Now you
Okay,
can choose.
go back to again. MCS.
This is MCA now, or this is still BCA?
This is BCA, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, share the display again. Actually, because of the bandwidth, we should mute it again, video.
Can you see the screen or not? I can see the screen, I think.
I'm not able to see the screen actually.
Oh,
What about Ritik? Can you see screen?
Visible here,
Yes,
sir.
it is working for me. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Kaushik sir, can you see the screen?
Yes, it is visible to me.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. I mean, I'll not be able to see, but anyway, go ahead.
Okay, sir. That operation research was the core subject. Now we are coming to the again elective versions. The first one is generative AI and LLM. So as this subject is in in very much our industry demand, so anything extra we need to add, please let us know.
So I see there is in the first unit there is image to text synthesis.
Yes.
Another also very important is text to image synthesis, the reverse, where I can write a prompt in text and generate an image. I think that's very important in generative AI.
Okay,
So
we'll
that, yeah.
yeah, text to image synthesis. Okay, kindly note it down, Priyanka.
And this conditional GAN can also be included there,
Okay.
along with GAN,
Mhm,
classical
mhm.
GAN, yeah.
Sure. The third model. অৰেন্দু হেল্ল' মই মিটিঙত আছো মানে বিউএছ মিটিঙত মই তোমালৈ লগাই আছো ৰ'বা
I'll suggest you to include another thing here that's called text generation web UI, where like you can download a kind of model from Hugging Face or some other repository and set it up there. There's a tool, Buga or something. I don't remember exactly.
Okay,
Text generation web UI. Have you included it there?
it's not here. So which unit, Hasinda? Port
Sorry?
which unit we need to include that, sir? 4th unit.
Application tool.
Or
Yeah, that can be included there.
4th unit, right?
What is there in third unit? I didn't see, sorry,
Yeah.
I missed it up. Large language model. No, it will fit in fourth unit only.
Yes, yes.
Text generation web UI, because that's a tool where sometimes you need to access a kind of model locally there in your computer. Like say you want to have a kind of Llama or some other model, which will be accessed through a kind of web, port number, web there. So that you can include. A lot of applications are there, it seems now.
Yeah, sure.
Take generation, wave.
Yeah, okay. And the rest part is okay, right?
From my end, seems okay.
Yeah, looks good to me too.
Thank you, sir. Priyanka, please come to the next syllabus. Big data technology.
So I'll suggest you for the same thing, like here also, the contents can be made a more detailed. I mean, in certain introductory cases.
Okay, sure. Again, we will make this BT4 to BL like that. We'll maintain the uniformity.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, I thought I'm disconnected.
So can I move to the second module, next module?
Yes, 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 please. Then this is again one specialized cybersecurity syllabus, that is cyber threats and attack. So any comment from the members?
Seems okay from my side.
Thank you, sir. Then one more from the cloud computing specialization, that is cloud security management. And we are really sorry for the uniformity part. After the meeting, we work on the part. We'll keep it in the one table, maintain the uniformity.
This subject again started with previous introductory, briefing of previous semesters, and then shared responsibility about the cloud, because cloud having 3-4 types of users, right from the cloud provider to end users, who is having what type of security responsibility. Then these are all actually again designed based on the AWS or Google Cloud or Amazon Cloud, and the mix of all the IBM Cloud and all. So that whatever our student, if they get opportunity there, they will be able to know the known terminology, known concepts. That is the idea of this particular things. Based on the existing cloud infrastructure in various organization offering. So we'll make it uniformity. Some mismatch is there like this. Actually, somehow we'll send it to you again after uniform.
If you don't mind, I can give a suggestion for this, which will cut down the work of the administration team. What you can do for the whole university, you can keep one particular template. Actually, the kind of thing we get whenever we design some course, we put in that same template everybody is putting and they are sending. So everything is uniform.
Okay, good.
People
Yes,
just march and
we also have that because of the hurry and all that. So it has happened like this.
Yes, Kaushik sir. Actually, we are also maintaining this, but for this moment only, for this meeting, we could not actually maintain the uniformity. But after the meeting, we'll work on that part. We'll maintain only the university standard, right? And then that particular one will be shared with you, with all of you. But any suggestion on the contents, kindly let us know. Then if it is okay, we can move to the next syllabus. Okay. Coming to the next syllabus. So that will be again, B will be in the capital, back-end development from the full stack development specialization, means web technology specialization. So let's come to the first unit.
This is again 3 credit course. Actually,
Yes.
by mistake, everywhere it is 4. Sorry.
Backend will focus on this course. Like the front end we have already covered in the, I think, 6, and this is backend.
Dibya,
Yes, Asinta.
with the permission of all, respected members, can I leave? I have an assignment. Actually, we have this PhD admission counseling today.
Okay.
So, how many SLB are left, Dibya?
Only few subjects left, sir, but you can leave. We'll again, if you feel there are some changes, then you can let us know through mail. We'll go through your comment.
Okay, okay. You'll
BCA
be anyway
almost
mailing
finished,
us.
only the MCA part left, so on very few subjects left only.
Okay, okay. I'm leaving, Ratan sir. I'm very sorry for
No,
that.
no,
But the
not
thing is,
at
I
all,
have.
not at all. Yes, all of you are busy schedule. Actually,
Yes,
yes.
yes. I'll go through. I mean, the syllabus once mail me. Thank you, Ratan sir.
Thank you very much, Asindra. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye. So this is the last one in BCA that we are introducing this year. Kaushik sir and Ritik sir, any changes, kindly let us know.
No, I don't have any comments on.
Okay.
Yeah, me neither.
Then we can go to the MCA. Priyanka, please come to the MCA one. Okay. The first one here is the artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques that falls under professional elective one. So please come to that syllabus.
Because this MCA is 4 years course. Sorry,
2
4
years.
semester, 2 years course. So maybe they have never had any course on AI or ML. So first unit is start with introduction. But those who are got admission from our university, they may have something. So that's why this particular course is made for both type of student.
Means we already have artificial intelligence in BCA, means graduations, and there we already introduced different algorithms that are needed, the fundamentals of AI. But few students are joining from other universities also in MCA. That's why we have introduced this subject.
It looks like overlap, but actually it is for the bridge course kind of things.
Yeah, it's needed actually. Any comment from the members?
Maybe in module 5, where you include ML libraries, maybe add PyTorch also in that.
In the model 5, yes. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow. Okay. Actually, one subject is there in the means second semester itself, that is data science using Python, and there we introduce the means basics of Python programming. So they will already have the knowledge of the Python. Then they can come to this specific library like Scikit.
That is the course. That is course subject.
Core subject. That
No,
is,
but
yeah.
I'm not saying Python. I said PyTorch.
Oh, PyTorch. Yes, we can include that. Right. Priyanka, kindly note it down.
That ML libraries
Yes, we
and
have to include that.
Module 5. Actually, we have Intel ML lab we have. So
AI lab.
AI lab is we have.
If it is okay, can we move to the next syllabus, sir? Or any further modification needed in that AI syllabus?
Please move ahead.
Okay, sir. Then this one is data visualization technique. Come to the syllabus.
In the area of data science
Data science specialization.
specialization.
Dimple মই কৰি আছো ৰবা মই মিটিংখনত আছো মানে বিয়ছো কৰি আছো মই কৰিম দিয়া Any changes required for this syllabus? Then we can come to the next one.
Yes.
Next one is just 1 minute. Full stack development and design. Please come to the syllabus.
Again, this is basically because of the only 2 years course, MCA, they may have some introduction of HTML and all that. So, but some of the student may not have. So that's why we started with introduction to all this HTML, CSS3, JavaScripts and all that again, so that they will be familiar with these things. But some of them also repeating those who are graduated from our university. This is also very practical oriented class actually. Nothing theoretical. Every chapter they will go through the assignment in the classroom itself, and then they will make the assignment and they will demonstrate or they will give seminar on that.
Right. Any comment from the members? Okay, then we can move to the next syllabus. Time series data analysis. Again, this falls under professional elective 2. And as part of specialization is concerned, they will take one of them. So please first come to the time series data analysis. Scroll up. Then the next one, come to the next one. It is cloud security.
This is also based on the technology provided IBM, Amazon, then Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. Based on that, we have designed this because the student will be familiar with that.
Basically, this syllabus is, I think, also okay. Then let's come to the next one, Priyanka. Application development framework.
This is also part of the full stack development.
Yes, that's specialization. Come to the model 4. Okay. So I think this is the last one, no, Priyanka? Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's the last one.
So the members, Kaushik sir, Ritik Das, and all the members, any changes needed to this last one, last syllabus?
Not from me.
Okay.
Yeah, I also don't have any.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we have covered all the newly introduced syllabus and small changes in the existing syllabus, right? I think the syllabus subjects are, if I'm not wrong, programming in C, Priyanka, programming in C, and
So programming in C, data communication, data warehouse, this means subjects are same, a little bit small changes in a module we have put it. So
Unit
only few changes we have done in the unit. So rest part is okay, that already you have you had gone through in the last viewers. Few changes in the units done. So can you show it to us? Yeah.
okay. Sir, in IT workshop, we have done changes. So we have introduced, previously it was a workshop using the Python. So now we have introduced the hands-on means information. For example, those who are from the non-background of a computer, so they will come and they will get a inspiration of using the hands-on applications like productivity tools, internet, then GUI, look and feel customization and storing data. So this is completely modified syllabus. Name is same, but we have just modified the content of the syllabus.
Okay.
Next, we are having programming in C. Name and content, name is same, but the content has been modified again.
Which particular part we have modified, Priyanka?
So actually, all the module has been rebuilt because previously the first module was overloaded. So depending on the quality of the student, we had tried to put a motivation to the programming. So that's why we have introduced the basic concept so that they can learn and inspire of doing programming.
basically emphasize on C coding.
So this is the first programming they will be learning in the bachelor degree in
Bachelor.
BCA first semester. We have made it more specific and to the point of the content.
The next one.
Next one, what is that?
Communication, I think. Data communication or
Data communication.
Or Ratan sir has changes in done changes in Unix and Linux also, so you can go through it module wise.
These are all very little bit change in the unit.
This one, data communication.
And the last one is data communication.
Kaushik sir and Ritik sir, are the modules okay for the data communication subject?
Still looking.
Thank you. Okay. I think information security one, Priyanka. This one is okay, they said.
Software engineering also has been rebuilt again.
No, this one, information security. Hmm.
And rest remain the same.
Recommendation. Okay. I think we come to the end of our meeting. We have already discussed the newly introduced syllabuses of BCA and MC as part of serialization, and also the changes that we have done to the existing syllabus. So if it is okay, then we can come to the conclusion of the meeting, sir, if all the members are okay.
Yes, please go ahead. And I also have to leave in 5 minutes. Huh?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay, last snapshot we can take.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for your patience, everything. And it is too long discussion. And we'll send all these corrections and in the regular format so that you will not have any difficulties. So this year, the existing semesters, except only we'll be introducing in the 5th semester. Other semester already passed. And then first semester also will introduce the same subject for approval from this BOS.
Right.
And third semester of MCA also will be introducing after getting approval from the BOS. So first semester and third semester MCA will be adapted this.
Right. Okay, then. Yeah.
All the
So
best.
yes, sir. So we come to the end of the meeting. So with a note that really thanks goes to all the members because you have given your valuable time. And this is a continuous process, of course, from the last BOSs, because if we go for the whole syllabus analysis, that is not possible within 1 to 2 hours. But as this is a continuous process, we have done few part already in the last BOSs, and this part we have done today. And then it will be going on. Whenever we feel that some improvement, some modification, some changes, so that will be done in the meantime. And of course, thank you and thank you very much. And also that alumni and student members here, I thank you for giving your valuable input. So with this, I'm going to conclude this meeting and hope we'll see all the members again in the next BOS. And very soon we'll share the formatted syllabus as per the university standard. And there are those mistakes that we can find here in the spelling mistakes or some grammatical mistakes or whatever there. We'll correct them and we'll fix those issues. And the changes that you have commented, we'll carry out them and put in one particular format for the BCA and for the MCA. Then we'll send it to you very soon. So with this, I'm ending this session. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ritik sir. Thank you, Kaushik sir, and all the
Thank you.
members.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
you
Good
can-
day.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.